Ready to seamlessly pay for your Shein order using your Visa gift card? Then in this video, I will walk you through a quick and easy process. So without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, ensure your Visa gift card has enough balance to cover your order. Now, once you've confirmed that, open the Shein app and explore the diverse range of items, and when you find what you like, just toss it into your cart. Now, when you're ready to check out, just simply tap on your cart. If, like me, you have multiple items in your cart, then take a moment to review and select the items you want to proceed with. Next, tap on the checkout button to navigate to the order confirmation or payment page. And on this page, select credit debit card and then tap add card to input your Visa gift card details. Now, after entering the necessary details, just tap on confirm and proceed by tapping the place order button. And that's it. That's how you smoothly use a Visa gift card as a payment method on Shein. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.